Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome back. I'm your host Mr.Masscryptto, and today I'll be starting a new web series of basic videos showing you how to invest in cryptocurrencies. First order of business is introducing you to Binance, which is the exchange that we'll be using. And then I'm going to take you step by step showing you how to set up your account, deposit your funds so that you're ready for trading. When starting cryptocurrencies, to set up an account, you will need to complete an identity verification, for which you will need a device that has a camera such as a smartphone or a laptop, and also a photographic ID such as a passport or driver's license. Now let's go ahead and jump on the computer and get started.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and set up our accounts. First thing we want to do is go ahead and open up our browser. Now in the search bar, we want to type in Binance. The first link here is the one that we're going to be using, but let's just take a moment to learn a little bit more about Binance. So Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading various cryptocurrencies. As of April 2021, Binance was the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world in terms of trading volume. Binance was founded by Changpeng Zhao, a developer who had previously created high-frequency trading software. Now that we know a little bit more about Binance, let's go ahead and open up the link. Okay, if you're going to be using Binance for trading or investing in cryptocurrencies long-term, I highly recommend that you download it on your device. And you can do that by going here. And there are more download options down here at the bottom. So here we can see all the options that we have to download Binance. You can do it on your Apple phone, Google or Android, or on your Mac, Windows or Linux. And once you're ready, let's go ahead and click that register button up here. Now there are two ways that you can set up an account, either by email or mobile. Now it doesn't matter which one you use right now, because we're going to be adding an extra security form in the next few steps, which will then be either the email or mobile that you haven't used. I'm going to go ahead and use email for the first one. Once you fill that in and you'd like to help out the channel, I have put my referral code down below, which you can go ahead and use here. Then go ahead and read Binance's terms and conditions, and once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click on create an account. Then you will get this pop-up for a security verification, and all you have to do to complete the puzzle is slide this along. There we go. Now check your emails. You should have received a 6-digit verification code. Okay, so we've created our account. Now let's go ahead and do the security verification and also the identity verification. And you can do that by going here to dashboard. As you can see, there are two types of security verification that you can do, and I would highly recommend that you set up all of them. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the phone verification. Once you fill this in, click on send code for SMS and also email. Then go ahead and check your email and your phone and type in the verification codes. Okay, so now our security verification has been completed. Let's go ahead and do our identity verification, which you can do by clicking on here. Now, this step is not necessary. However, I highly recommend it so that you can get a larger limit with your deposits and withdrawal. And once you're ready to do that, let's go ahead and click on verify. Okay, to complete this step, you need to select the country that you're in, and you need to have all this basic information such as your first name, last name, date of birth, and residential address. And then you also need to complete an identity and facial verification, which will include the photographic ID I mentioned at the start of the video. Let's go ahead and start. Okay, so let's fill out all this information. Once you filled out all the information, click submit and continue. Now is the part where you need to use your photographic ID. You can either use an identity card, a passport, or driver's license. For this occasion, I'm going to be using my driver's license. You can either upload or take a photo on the device that you're currently using. Once you've taken or uploaded the picture, then go ahead and click on continue. Now it's going to ask you to either upload or take a photo of yourself. Okay, so once you've taken or uploaded your photo, go ahead and click continue again. Now it's going to ask you to do a facial verification, and you can either do that on the device that you're currently using if it has a camera, or you can use your smartphone. If you want to use a smartphone, you can go ahead and scan this QR code here, and once you've completed all the steps, click on I have completed this on my phone. But since I'm using my laptop, which has a camera, I'm going to be doing it here. Okay, so now that we've completed our facial verification, as you can see, we've been successfully verified. Let's go ahead and also do our address verification. Okay guys, so to do this, just check that your details are correct, and then click on proof of residence. And then on here you can see the documents that they will accept and the ones that they do not accept. I'm going to be using a bank statement for this, and you can upload it here at the bottom. As you can see, I've already uploaded it, and now I'm going to click on begin verification. Looks like my application has successfully submitted. Now I just have to check for an email or an SMS. Now that we've submitted it, you can see here that it's pending. Now I just have to wait until it's ticked verified. So after a few minutes, I've come back and I've refreshed the page, and as you can see, now we have been verified for our address verification. Now let's go ahead and get on to the next step. So if you scroll to the top, you can go ahead back into your account. All you have to do is click here. Once you're back in your account, you see straight away there are two forms of depositing money. As you can see here, it will be step number 3, or you can also click this button. Here we are on the deposit page, and as you can see, there are two forms of deposit, either crypto or fiat. In this video, I'm showing you how to buy with your fiat currency. So I'm going to be using pound sterling because I live in the UK. And as you can see, there are two options, either bank card, where you can use a Visa, or a debit or credit card, and it will charge you 1.8% of whatever you're going to be depositing. Or you can do the faster payments method, which has a 0% fee. To do the faster payment method, all you have to do is type in how much you'll be depositing, and for this video I'm going to be depositing £1,000 into the account. Something I want to quickly mention is, as you can see down here, our deposit limit is £173,900. This is because we've passed all of Binance's verifications. If we hadn't passed the verifications, then our limit which we could deposit would be much lower. So if you scroll down, you will see a message here showing you that this service is supported by Clear Junction. And if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click continue. So here is an important note. They only accept funding from an account which is under your own name. Also, now we're going to be creating a new payee in our online banking, and they request that you name it Binance. So once that I've clicked continue, we can see that Clear Junction has generated all this information here, which is now linked to our Binance account. So let's go ahead and jump on our online banking, either on your smartphone or on your computer, and let's add these details as a new payee. Something I want to point out here, which is really important, please make sure to double check all these details are correct on your online banking. An important note here as well, as you can see down here, is that they say it might take 1 to 2 business days for your money to arrive in your account. However, in my experience, this has only taken about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll definitely recommend you to come back in 15-20 minutes and refresh your page. Okay, so I've just got a confirmation from my bank saying that the transfer was successful. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on View Wallet. So here we are in my fiat and spot wallet. And straight away we can see that we have 1,000 British pounds sitting in my fiat balance. Up here we can see our fiat and spot balance in Bitcoin and also in dollars. If you'd like to change this one, which is in dollars, all you have to do is go ahead and click up here, and then you can select whatever currency you'd like to see your balance in. For example, I'm going to select British pounds. Okay, and straight away we can see that it's changed from dollars to pounds, and we currently have £996.70. Something that I also want to show you in this video is how to withdraw your money back into your bank account. In order to do that, all you'd have to do is go ahead and click on withdraw. Here, very similar to the deposit, we also have two options, either crypto or fiat. In this occasion, I'm not going to be withdrawing my funds, but I will show you how to do it. So there's two options to do this. You can either choose faster payments, which will charge you £1.50, or you can do it via bank card, which will charge you 1.5% of whatever you're going to be withdrawing. Just as we used faster payments for deposit, I'm going to also be using for withdrawal. On the right hand side here, we will type in how much you'd like to withdraw. If I was going to be withdrawing now, for example, I would do £1,000. There, and we can see the transaction fee will cost us £1.50, just as I mentioned. Again, we will get this message saying that this service is supported by Clear Junction. And then down here, there's some important notes. Please don't withdraw to other crypto exchanges and third-party payment platforms, such as TransferWise and the Currency Cloud. And British pound withdrawals is only supported in the United Kingdom. Once you're happy, go ahead and click continue. Now, you want to go ahead and type in your account number and also your sort code. If you'd like, you can leave this box ticked so that next time you withdraw, it's already saved. And then go ahead and click confirm withdrawal. Once you've clicked confirm withdrawal, you will receive an email from Binance confirming the withdrawal. And then in a few minutes, go ahead and check your online banking and you should have received your funds.
So guys, once the funds are successfully in your account and you're ready to buy some cryptocurrencies, make sure to head on over to my next video where I'll be showing you how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies in more detail. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you found the video helpful or informative, a like is always welcome and it helps my videos reach more people. Once again, thank you, stay blessed. I've been your host, Mr.Masscryptto, and I look forward to seeing you the next time.